Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up is contestant number 3, Painulasi Bash Leo Pepe.
We've just finished our final lotu, just to try and calm the nerves. I'm pretty sure she's probably feeling the nerves at the moment. Lassie is just left with the design team. They're making their way to the venue for the last leg dance, regardless of the result. Glory to God.
Pretty good you can call. I'll stand outside this woman's work, this woman's world. Ooh, it's hard on the man. Now his part is over, and now starts the craft of the father. I know you got a little life in you yet. I know you got a lot of strength left. I know you got a little life in you yet. I know you've got a lot of strength left. Give me these moments. Give them back to me.
I think seeing Lassie blossom, I think the first day she was nervous, but as the days got on, you could just see her come out of her shell. She really planted her seed and she's grown, and she's full blossoming now.
Give me your hand. Oh, I should be crying, but I just can't let it show, baby. I should be hoping, but I just can't stop thinking about you.
When we leave our beautiful Samoa, when we travel, wherever we go in pursuit of our worldly dreams, we must be aware of the global effects that it brings on our culture. There are 3 things that make up a Samoan person: your faith, your family, and your culture. So steadfast and be immovable in your faith, your family, and you will continue to preserve your culture wherever you go. Whakataite lava.